In today's video, we're diving deep into the realm of enhanced efficiency and exploring how a remarkable piece of technology is revolutionizing production processes. Join us as we unveil the incredible capabilities of the Castel-2 CNC Boring Machine. Welcome back, fellow manufacturing enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology and exploring the incredible Castel-2 CNC Boring Machine. This remarkable machine, retrofitted in 2008 with a new CNC and electrical panel, is ready to take efficiency to new heights. Get ready to explore its impressive specifications, from its massive table size to its versatile spindle, as we uncover how it enhances productivity like never before. Let's dive into the specifications that make the Castel-2 a force to be reckoned with. It boasts a substantial table size of 920 x 1150 millimeters, providing ample space for a wide range of workpieces. The spindle, with a diameter of 100 millimeters, ensures stability and accuracy throughout machining operations. With an x-axis travel of 1500 millimeters, a y-axis travel of 1500 millimeters, and a w-axis travel of 900 millimeters, the Castel-2 empowers operators with versatility and freedom to tackle even the most complex projects. And let's not forget the z-axis travel of 480 millimeters, allowing for precise spindle travel to meet the most demanding requirements. Not only does the Castel-2 deliver exceptional performance, but it also comes in top-notch condition. The machine is in excellent shape, with all its parts and accessories complete. Additionally, it is equipped with a universal head, further enhancing its flexibility and adaptability to various machining tasks. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure, and we look forward to seeing you in our next exploration of cutting-edge technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest innovations in the world of manufacturing. Until next time, stay efficient and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.